We specialize in large home remodels, home additions, and custom homes. We've done that for the last 18 years, working directly for the homeowner. And then in the last couple of years, we've segued into larger sort of commercial residential work, but working for investors in larger developments.
So generally what happens when somebody comes to me with a project, they kind of have two routes that they can go. They can come with their plans already done. They've hired an architect and an engineer, and they can come to my company and we'll process the estimate and present a contract for the project.
We are a design build contractor, so we do the design portion in-house as well. We have an in-house design team.
You know, we do a lot of redlining and looking at the drawings and costing things.
Then it moves over into a construction contract, and then our construction team builds what was designed.
Any project can be done smoothly to the degree that it's planned well. I come from a background of rolling the plans out in the trenches and start swinging hammers, and you're using those prints to build that house. These large developments that we're doing right now, from Siesta Key down in Sarasota all the way up here to Clearwater, we're running point on all the design.
One of our senior most policies in the company is that we always deliver what we promise.
You know, there's no way I can swing a hammer on 40 jobs. We've got anywhere from 40 to 50 jobs going on all at the same time.
So now we're able to hire someone, move them through our training program, and then they know exactly what our standards are and whatever it was that Greg does that makes the customer so happy. So we can deliver our service on a bigger scale and still not lose that quality.
But there's still that aspect. There's my name on the front of every job. My dad and I started this company, right? He's not around anymore, and now it's still a family business. I take it personally. I want to make sure that I'm delivering a good product. We're not going anywhere, so why would we want to not deliver excellent service, you know? We're humans. We're going to make mistakes. My client's a human, and they're going to make mistakes. Everybody's going to make mistakes. At the end of the day, how do we deal with it? Do you really care about what you do, or are you just there to make a dollar, you know? Well, look, at the end of the day, I started doing this because I love doing it.
Whether you have your blueprints already done, whether you just have a concept and you need some help developing that and you don't even know where to start, or whether you're an investor looking to develop some land, we're here to help you with that.